Welcome back to another video. Today's video, similar to the Denali Ultimate video, we have a package here from Custom Puddle Lights. As you guys can see, this is the AT4 version. So we'll open up the packaging here and we'll show you what you get. So obviously, in the name, guys, Custom Puddle Lights, these guys are phenomenal. Quick service. Anything you guys need, you send them an email. They're really good at responding. But without further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing here. Take the foam out. You guys can see it's the same as the Denali Ultimate. We have our pry tool, and then obviously we have our puddle lights with the left and the right. So don't screw that up. Left on left, right on right. Okay, so we'll jump right into the install and we'll show you how these go in. They're they're the same thing with the Denali Ultimate version, but we'll show you on the AT4 and we'll show you what the puddle light looks like for the AT4. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we've got the pry tool into the puddle light. You guys can see that little tab there. That's what you're going to, I think the camera's focusing. Yep, you can see that little tab right on the end. Pry tool in there, pry it down. Same thing like the Denali Ultimate. You guys can see it drops down. You're going to be taking this white tool, this white square off with the pry tool. The best way to do this is to pry the right side, pry the center, and pry the left, and then kind of get it off with your fingers. It comes off pretty easily. And then you're just going to plug in the new puddle lights, like we showed you before. The left side is going to be vertical, the right side is going to be horizontal, and you're going to line up the clip here on the end. That's how you know it's in properly. So stay tuned. Again, we'll show you with the new one in, and then we'll show you what it looks like at night. Okay, so next step, you guys can see this is the new puddle light from Custom Puddle Lights. Left side is in vertically, right side is in horizontally. We're going to line the clip up and then just push all this wiring up in. There's lots of space, and you're just going to clip it in, guys, and then we will show you what this looks like projecting down at night. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're back with the AT4 here at night. We'll show you what the puddle light install looks like on the ground, what the projection looks like. So without further ado, we'll unlock the truck. And guys, there it is. Super clear, super crisp, and obviously the boost auto lights are going from the running board. We'll lock it again. We'll show you what it looks like. Guys, it's a large projection. It's really off to the side so it avoids the door. But guys, really clear. And Custom Puddle Lights has a bunch of different custom logos they can make for you. So it doesn't have to be AT4. It can be anything you like. Just let them know. They'll design it for you and send it over. And guys, it looks incredible. There's the puddle light dropping down from the mirror. I'll show you one more time here. Guys, it's super crisp, large, bold, really, really nice. So leave your comments down below, like the video, subscribe if you're new. Lots of new cool content coming like this one. So stay tuned for all that, guys. We'll see you in the next video.